Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install Linux application using the terminal on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply click on App Launcher icon and open the terminal application. Now to get the terminal interface, simply click on Penguin option. And here we have the terminal interface. To install Linux application, you need to run a simple command. Simply type sudo apt remove followed by the package name. To know the package name, you can simply click on App Launcher icon. Here simply open the Linux apps folder. Here you can see here we have VLC and Audacity. So if you want to install VLC, here simply type VLC. Then hit enter key. And here you will find a prompt, do you want to continue? Here simply type Y, then hit enter key. It will remove the application. To verify it, simply click on App Launcher, open Linux apps folder, and here you can see here we don't have VLC media player. Similarly, you can install other application. Let me install Audacity. For that, I'll simply type sudo apt remove Audacity. Then hit enter key. Here you will find a prompt, do you want to continue? Type Y, hit enter key, and wait for the process to complete. Once done, you can simply verify it by opening the Linux apps folder. Here you can see here we don't have Audacity. So that's it. This is how you can install Linux apps using terminal on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now, see you next video.